Hello friends, myself Ajay Ignath Chaudhary and today's date is 7th December 2021. Today's topic we have to discuss is about constructor. So, what is constructor? Constructor in Java is the name suggested. It is an terminology being used to construct something in your program. So basically, if you think deeper, we are declaring a variable and later initializing them. Java being an object oriented language, or our goal is to bring code closer to real world where we create objects. Now somebody is needed to look over the constructor of this object to get to how they are internally working, how the constructors are different from methods in Java. So we have to study that constructor must have the same name as the class within which it is defined, while it is not necessary for the method in Java. Construction do not return any type while method. It return the return type or void. It does not return any value. Constructor are called only once at the time of object creation, while method can be called any time, any number of times. So what? Why are the need of constructor? Think of a box. We have a box. If we talk about a box class, then it have to some classes variables says length, breadth, and height. But when it is come to creating its object, that is box will now existing the computer memory. Then it can be box. There will no value defined for its dimension. The answer is no. So constructor are used to assigning values to the class variables at the time of object creation, either explicitly done by the programmer or by Java itself default. Constructor, when is a constructor called? So when each time of an object is created using a new keyword, at least one constructor, that is it could be default constructor, is invoked to assign initial values to the data member of the same classes. Now is the correct time to discuss types of constructor. So primarily there are two types of constructor in Java. We have to see that first is no argument constructor and second is parameterized. First one constructor is no argument constructor. No argument constructor is a constructor that no parameter is known as the default constructor. If we don't define a constructor class in a Java, then the compiler creates a default constructor that is with no argument for the class. And if we write a constructor with argument or no argument, then the compiler does not create a default constructor. So constructors are used to assign values to the class variables at the time of object creation, either explicitly done by the programmer or Java itself. That is default constructor. And second we have to discuss is parameterized constructor. So what is parameterized construction? A constructor that has a parameter is known as a parameterized constructor. If we want to initialize fields of the class with our own values, then use a parameterized constructor. Now the most important topic is that comes into play is the strong incorporation of oops with constructor, known as constructor overloading. Just like a method, we can overload constructor for creating objects in different ways. Compiler differentiates constructor on the basis of numbers of parameters, types of the parameters, and order of the parameters. So these are the types of parameters and all. These are the types of constructors, and we have discussed about the constructor. Thank you for watching my video.